Guys, we're going to be dumping some Reaper H2O. For the 60-second soak. And we got about, well, right on the money at 90 degrees right now. This film is really nice to work with. Except for those little things right there. Get out of there, I see in there. I felt water there, which is weird. Working them bubbles out. There they come. Don't see any more. Okay, we've had good success with Hydrographics on this in 2 passes. So we break it down nicely, it sticks together pretty good. Got my cameraman today, he's kind of under the weather, to say the least, for a Sunday. What do you expect, huh? Okay, we're ready to fire this bad boy up. Cover there to protect. Oh, got bubbles right now. Flip in the middle of it. Great. I don't have my syringe with me, so I'm gonna it's just under there. You just can't, you need a syringe with a needle on it. Just the way it's gonna be. May the force be with me. Okay. I love those fish floating around in the water. Yeah, I should have left that a little bit more for you guys to see. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's get our gorilla snot out of here. See what kind of concoction we got. Oh, we actually hit it pretty good, I think. Yeah, actually really nice. I don't see those bubble holes. They're in there somewhere, but not sure exactly. But if you can't see them from here, it's even better. See the edges? Got in there nicely. Didn't really have that much room to stretch, but a tiny bit of stretch down there, but not bad. Anyway, pretty good hit. Love the Prevail stuff. So if you guys are interested in purchasing some of this for some of your outdoor stuff, I'd highly recommend it. Anyway, this is Tsunami Hydrographics. Check it out.